Hey everyone! So I have a big haul for you guys, and I thought there's no better time than the present because we are just going into the busiest wedding season I've ever experienced. Thanks, COVID. I had to replenish a lot of things in my kit that are staples. There's also some new things that I'm getting here that I wanted to try, but basically this is a big professional kit restock. So if that's something that interests you, let's take a look at what I got. I got things from Ulta, Camera Ready Cosmetics, Amazon, Madeline, I hope that I'm saying that right, lashes, and Qosmedix, the Qosmedix website. So I got a lot of different stuff. I've added it all up and let's get into it. We're going to start with Ulta since that's everybody's fave and the one that is probably the most common. So first, this is in no particular order, I got the Formula 10.0.6 Seriously Shine Free Moisturizer. This is a really nice moisturizer for the skin if you have more oily skin and you don't want the oils to really break through and kind of ruin the makeup. I like putting this just a little bit into the T-zone just to kind of keep those oils at bay so that you're not going to be a shiny grease ball on your wedding day. Next, I picked up the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser. This is for me. So this is not for my kid, but I just really love this cleanser. They apparently have a 5-ounce size at Sephora, but it was out of stock, or else I would have gotten it because this is the standard 1.7 fluid ounce, which goes quickly. But I just love this cleanser lately, so picked up another. I also got this for me. This is a micellar water from Garnier. It is the blue top one, which means it removes waterproof makeup as well, and I swear by this when I double cleanse. I first start with this, and then I use my cleanser. And it's just great, gets all my makeup off, gets all the dirt and sweat and everything off, and my skin feels great. Now, I will say, there is a reason they tape these when they ship them, because I took the tape off and I threw it in the box. I had a box with all of this stuff sitting for a couple weeks until I filmed. Yeah. See how it's not completely full? It's very oily, and half the stuff I have sitting here today is also very oily now, so there's a reason for that. Don't take the tape off and then put it laying down in a box. Don't make that mistake like I did. The rest of my hand looks dry because of the oiliness. Next, I got 3 lash glues. I got 2 Duo Darks. I swear by these for lash application, whether it's a strip or individual cluster. I just love these. It blends in with the lash line really nicely so you don't see this weird like clear shiny dot. And it's just, it works beautifully. Doesn't dry too fast, but doesn't take too long to dry as well. And then I was in the market for a new latex-free glue, specifically for clients of mine who have a latex allergy. I don't mess with that because I am not trying to make your eye swell shut or itch or just not be a good time. So I am trying this. This is the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. Now, what I will say is I hate that most latex-free lash glues are the kind you brush on, okay? So this is, you know, you brush it on the strip lash and you put it on. I don't like that because I more often than not use the individual clusters. And so what I do is I'll take a little bit of the glue, squeeze it out into the little tray, and then dip each lash and put it on your lash line. So with this, I have to go in the tube a million times to kind of scoop it out onto the tray. So we'll see how it goes. I'm hoping it's good because it's the Duo brand and because I love the other one. We'll see. I still have yet to find a latex-free glue that I absolutely love. Back to skincare for a minute. I picked up the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. This is also for me. This is just one of my favorite masks, honestly, of all time. I just find it really does help kind of dry up the acne, smooth out your skin. My skin is a little crazy lately. It's kind of like a combo meal package deal of, hey, that rhymed. Look at me. Okay, it is an amazing little package of hormones and stress and maskne and all of that stuff. Like, the chin area is not cute these days. So picked this up and I love it. Another thing I got is the Tarte CC Colored Clay Under Eye Corrector. This is in the color medium tan. They have two colors. They have light medium and medium tan, and I always keep both of these in my kit at all times. I just really like how it looks on most people under the eyes. It just kind of brightens, looks creamy, doesn't look drying, lasts. It's just really nice. So I always pick these up. Another thing I always pick up and is a staple in my kit is the Maybelline Great Lash Waterproof Mascara. And I think this is in, this says very black. I usually try to get the blackest I can get because if you know me, you know I love my mascara super black, so it defines those lashes. I like this mascara because it doesn't budge. It stays where it has to stay. Yes, it's inexpensive, but that's awesome because I go through mascara like water when we're in the heat of wedding season because it just, you use so much of it, it dries fast, it runs out. And mascara is the one thing I hate to spend tons of money on because of how much I use it. So, you know, I spend a ridiculous amount of money on my kit, okay? I get a lot of professional grade products and it adds up really quick. But a lot of those like eyeshadows and powders and things like that last because they go a long way. But mascaras, they just go. They're gone. So I really like that I found an inexpensive mascara that just works and stays on so my brides can sob their eyes out and be perfectly fine. Another mascara that I got a backup of is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Clean Mascara, which I just did a review on actually, so if you want to see that, definitely I'll put the link down below, I'll put it in the cards here and everything. I really enjoy this mascara, so I just got a backup because I don't want to have to worry about it in the middle of bridal season. So this is in the color Pitch Black, and it's really good, guys. Give it a try. Lastly, from Ulta, I picked up 3 Morphe brushes. They are all the same. They are all the M330 Blending Crease Brush. Last year, when I went through, not when the pandemic was ending, but more so when we were starting to open, I went through and kind of edited my brush collections in my kit, and I got more specific brushes and just more sets. And I found that I didn't have a couple more of these blending brushes, and I really like these. So I picked more up just so I can kind of complete those sets again. But I really like this for just blending out the crease. And Morphe is one of those that has pretty good brushes, especially for the price. They're pretty inexpensive. They're easy to find since you can find them at Ulta, and they last pretty well. So I really like them for when I have to expand my brush collection and not break the bank. That's all at Ulta. Next, I got 2 things off of Amazon. They're the same. I got 2 packages of these Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes in the singles. So you get 20 of these pre-moistened towelettes in their own like little individual packages. And ordinarily, I would say if you are a regular person looking to remove your makeup, not only do I not recommend makeup wipes just because they're drying and not the best for you or the environment, the reason I get the singles is to put in touch-up kits for my brides. So I wouldn't, if I was buying makeup wipes for myself, I would never get singles because it's just more pricey, it's more of a waste. But I really love these because each bride of mine gets a touch-up kit. And so in that touch-up kit, I always put a makeup remover wipe. I used to use a different brand, but then I switched to these and I really like them. So get these off Amazon. They're a little bit cheaper than in stores. I'll put the link down below, but really love these. Next, I got 3 items off CameraReadyCosmetics.com. First is the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. This is their classic original formula, and it just works. It doesn't smell obnoxious, the spray is really nice, and it makes your makeup stay on all day. So, and it works for all skin types. Now, this is the makeup setting spray that I use on myself and in my kit. So you could probably find me buying several of these every single year just because I love it. It's great. Next, I am just stocking up on a couple of common Ket airbrush foundations that I use. I love airbrushing my clients. I just find it looks and feels lightweight and natural, but gives you the coverage you desire, and it's beautiful. And I personally use Ket. I know a lot of people use Tem too, but those are kind of the top 2 airbrush companies I see. So I got 01 and 05, or 01 and 05, I think, because it's the olive collection. These are just a couple shades that are pretty common for me to use. I'm always mixing them in no matter who is in my chair. So I needed some backups. Next is some stuff from Qosmedix, and I love this website for disposable products. So if you are a professional makeup artist, you know that you need a nice stock of disposable mascara wands, lip wands, spatulas, all of the stuff, just because you need to keep your client healthy and sanitary and everything in your kit sanitary. This is also my go-to website to add things to those touch-up kits that I was talking about. So for example, these are lip brushes. I got 125 and now I'm good for a while. Each touch-up kit gets a lip brush so that they can brush on their lip product and touch up throughout the day. I also got 10 pouches of blotting papers. Every touch-up kit gets a few blotting papers so that if they get oily throughout the day, they can just take it off, go on with their day, not mess up their makeup, and it's great. Lastly, I got a backup of the Beauty So Clean Cosmetics Sanitizer Mist. I swear by this because not only is it going to disinfect the makeup, but it also doesn't dry it out like alcohol could. So this, I'm always spraying in between every single client, all my powders, all of the stuff that you use back and forth. You know, if you put some eyeshadow on and then you go back into the eyeshadow pan, get some more eyeshadow, I'm always using this so that everything is clean and ready to go for the next client. Lastly, I got Madeline, I don't know, lashes. I really like this website for my individual lash clusters. It is a place that I can get lashes in bulk, and the more you get, the less they are per lash. And lashes is another one of those things that you just use a lot per person and it really adds up. So wherever I can find a deal, I will take it. The thing I also love about this company is they're always throwing in freebies. So whenever I order lashes, I always get at least $100 worth of lashes. So not only do I get free shipping, but they throw in some bonuses. So I got a couple short lashes, which is great. I got this mini duo clear white adhesive, these Katy Perry lashes by Allure, and this Andrea brush on strip lash adhesive. So those are just freebies, which is really fun. But basically, this is how they come. You get all of these little 4-packs, and I have a lot of them in there. I don't honestly remember how many I ordered, but it's a bunch, and I always get just about half short and half medium. Lately, I'm using more medium, so I might have to order some more of those. But these are the two lengths that I use on probably 95% of people. Most people it just works best on. And it gives you kind of that natural looking lift, like your lashes just grew overnight, and it's beautiful and it's lightweight. Every now and then I get people who want super long dramatic lashes, so I'll use the long length. But I have some of those already. I just don't need to stock them quite as much as the short and medium. So these are the Ardell Duralash Not Free Naturals, by the way. I don't know if I said that already. So that is it. That is all that I hauled this time. I tried to keep everything together. Believe it or not, I already know there's a few other things that I'm missing and that I also still need to order for bridal season prep. It truly never ends. You know, in this industry, you are using one-time use stuff or stuff that doesn't last very long, and you're always repurchasing. So I'm always tucking away money in my business account for more makeup. And it's not usually for me. I got a few things for me this time, but a lot of times I can't tell you how much I spend on just my kit just to keep it stocked and ready to go, but I absolutely love it. If you're a professional makeup artist, comment down below. Let me know what some of your staples are because I'm always looking to add new amazing products to my kit. If you're not a pro, what was your favorite item that I hauled today? Let me know. As always, don't forget to check the description box for important links and all of that good stuff, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!